I'm going to say bad before the election result. But people are saying vote for change. How can you vote for change when the face of your opposition panel is a councillor who's been there for 35 years, who has not delivered on his promises over 35 years? What change are you asking for? And what are you asking people to vote for? If you're talking about Utpal also, Utpal has not been there for any of the problems that the city has faced. What glory is he talking about? See, his father, I remember, has helped my family earlier also. So I will never say anything bad against the father. But the son is not the same. The son does not have any qualities of the father at all. And people will openly tell you, people are happy when he comes out of his house. So what about you expect him to do for the people of Panjim and everything?
रोहित मनसेरात ते कितें उलोवपाचें पण ताच्या भितर ताच्या बापायचे सगळे गुण आसा हे दिसता कळ्ळें बाकीचे हातून काय उलोवन अर्थ ना एटलिस्ट आजच्या दिसा मनोहर पर्रीकर काही लोकांक याद येवपाक लागलो कळ्ळें पण तांचे जी हे आशिल्ली विचारधारा ती थंय काय उरूंक ना हेंच दिसता आनी पण हातून हांव उलयना की आज फक्त इलेक्शनाचो दीस पॉलिटिकल गजाल उलोवपाची ना ताका टायम सोंपलो लोकांनी बऱ्या संख्येन जो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान अधिकार दिला तो येवन एक्सरसायज करतो इतलें जावं मागता